Here we go again. Here we go again. Hello, people. Another beautiful day or night. Yep. Hope your 5 senses work. Hope your health and strength is good. What? And we're at it again. All right. Okay, you Halo fans. We got some news for you. Seems like Halo developers are working on a new game. Codenamed Tatanka. Tatanka, let's see here. There was a wrestler by that name, Tatanka. No, I can't get it mixed up with Chief Thunder from Killer Instinct. But there was a wrestler by the name of Tatanka. If I'm not mistaken. But anyway, look, it says here, Halo developer all but starting from scratch with new Unreal Engine game in development. And it says here, those Tatanka rumors are taking a whole new form. It says here, a new Halo game is reportedly in development at 343 Industries, built on Unreal Engine and currently codenamed Tatanka. It says a report from Bloomberg, and it says in parentheses paywall, suggests that with its recent layoff and leadership changes, Halo developer 343 Industries is all but starting from scratch as it's looked to build the future of the Halo series. See, Halo fans, don't worry, I got you covered. Anyway, one major source of development headaches during Halo's Infinite production was the use of the slipspace engine, an aging set of tools with roots that were decades old. Bloomberg's source suggests that even now, finished multiplayer modes based on popular options like extractions and assault have gone unreleased, partly because of the engine issues. Well, look, when it comes to game engines, if the industry has a current engine, say like the Unreal Engine 5, that's the engine you want to use and just keep moving forward. Anyway, it says here, now 343 is reportedly moving to Unreal Engine for a new game codenamed Tatanka, developed in partnership with support studio Certain Affinity, which started off as a battle royale but may evolve in different directions. According to Bloomberg's source, the report suggests that further Halo games may also be developed on Unreal, though there are concerns within the studios that the switch may poorly affect the series gameplay. And it says here the codename Tatanka has been rumbling around in connection to Halo with various leaks and rumors for years, and up until now been understood as a battle royale game mode for Halo Infinite. Certain Affinity CEO Max Hoberman said last year that we're doing something unannounced, and we're doing lead development on that unannounced thing. From conception and design, it's something big and new for the franchise. Hoberman said the project had already been in development for more than 2 years, even then. And that's the end of the article. So, well, you know, the Halo developers at 343, they're up to something. They're creating something. So we will see when that projects get completed, what it's for. Is it for Halo or is it a different game? So we shall see. But it's not all doom and gloom in Microsoft right now. You know, they're doing things. You know, of course they made some changes, but of course laying off 10,000 employees, that's a lot. But then again, the game industry needs unions. But you know, Microsoft is moving. They're doing things right now. 343, they're doing things. They're creating something, a new game. See, I told you, the game industry don't stop. You know, just because you buy a studio. You know, it keeps moving. You know, keeps growing, keep expanding, keeps moving. So they're creating something, and when that thing comes to life, we'll get to see it, what it is. But the Halo developers, they are up to something, and the code name is Tatanka. So I'll keep you guys posted whenever I get any more news on this. But yeah, they're doing something. You know? Halo is not gone, because Halo is your mascot for Xbox. When you think Xbox, Halo is the first game that came to mind, because Halo was there since day one. It wasn't RTS originally, but Bungie flipped that into a first-person shooter and took the world by storm with it. So, and Halo grew from there. So Halo is not gone. 343 got to make some changes now on what game engine they want to use. And looks like they're using the Unreal Engine 5 now. So we'll see what they're gonna create when it comes out. But they're doing something over there at Microsoft. So yeah. But Halo has been there since day one. Since the original Xbox came into the video game market, into the land space. And since it came into the video game industry, Halo was there. So Halo is the mascot of Xbox. This notion that Microsoft is going to get rid of Halo, man, don't sound right. You need your mascots. I mean, of course, we know Sony, what they did to Crash Bandicoot, but to me, I think Sony didn't want to to me, when Sony did that, at first I was like, what were they thinking when they did this? But now it's like, okay, now that as time goes on, it looked like they didn't want to go the Nintendo route of video games. They want to keep their games. Sony want to keep their games for like mature, grown up mature folks. So of course they got some kid game for kids that you can play, but if you've seen the games that they're making, it's for more for adults. Now when it comes to Microsoft, it's the same thing. Halo is for mature people, but kids play it too. But they can't afford to get rid of Halo, because whenever you think of Xbox, you know of Halo. Then there is Gears of War. Then there is Sea of Thieves, and of course they got their Killer Instincts and all those exclusive games that they have. So I think Halo is gonna still be around. I just think Microsoft was making some little changes at their headquarters. So, but as far as this game goes, we'll see what it is when that time comes. So 343 is busy. They had the fans worry for a minute. They had send out a survey asking which mode should return to Halo Infinite. But like I said in the last video, they need to return every mode that was there from day one. Because that's what brought Halo together. I mean, sure, you got the single player. Okay, fine. But your other game modes also build into the uniqueness of Halo. So they need 343 need to communicate more with their user base, that plays Halo, and take some of their advices, and then apply it. But as far as like getting rid of those modes that I talked about, they need to keep all of them, to keep the mystique about Halo, intact. Anyway, leave this video for y'all to enjoy. Nice talking to you people again. Chris, the Star Wars and Star Trek thing. Dark Side. Go. Peace.